Sangmalu samdi test lay thari ngonzo laga la Korean embassy ne ambassador kwan zu peso and Korean temo din zu pe yaku chungso ani shala din sama Korean embassy ne thadi chi shala sangma naga damen da do Korean gi shala din zo ani thari wine ki try chi ba khon zu Korean gi wine mix re sha wine ngamu do chidang nga wine tung me wa thari ti try chi last an ye de wa the video sangma logo to jena de Korean shala sida ning ja ji do konzoge display pe yaushin shado ani ning jodo thari shala dinza Korean embassy ne thari ngonzo de Korean ambassador yare ani dam and the drink che khala da changma che ani Korean khala serve chare do it's fun. Bar is all the way up to the open bar. Rice cake. Korean food, japchae, kimbap, rice cake, samgeo, shala, metal spinning gel. Korean khala sare do, Korean khala. The ambassador da muzo VP da chamba de desha. Function goes to do.
Your Excellency Ambassador Taeyong Cho, Korean alternate executive director Woo Sang Kang, and honorable guests from the Embassy of the Republic of Korea and Korean Cultural Center, IFC Managing Director Mokhtar Diab, and staff from across IFC, welcome. Welcome to IFC Unplugged. We're so excited to welcome you to this event. My name is Yara Park from the Disruptive Technologies and VC team, and I'm excited to welcome you to the first edition of IFC Unplugged, Sound of Korean Soul. So Diab, Managing Director IFC, to start us off with opening remarks.
My colleagues were worried about it, so thank you so very much, and it's a huge pleasure to be here. So I hope that I will not butcher the Korean language by saying 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
And for me, it's a huge pleasure to see my colleagues here, to see members of the embassy and an executive director who is leaving very soon, but who has taken the time to be with us. The idea, as I've been saying, is for us to be together again and to share these moments that we.
And I'm glad we're forging relationship deeper with the Korean Embassy to make K-pop concert at IFC a reality.
Yeah.
Now I would like to welcome His Excellency Ambassador Taeyong Cho to the stage to give his remarks.
Thank you. It's great to be here. When I was first heard about this event, the Korean Music Afternoon at the International Finance Corporation, so I thought that I misheard that. I had some trouble connecting the dots, making connections between bankers, cool, but not musical, and the music. And then I found that there are so many cool people here, and I'm so glad that the managing director, Master Diouf, actually chose the Korean music as the first installment of these great, cultural musical experiences that will benefit all of you. So I'm very happy to be part of today's event. I was not there. I said I was not there. The next question is, can you bring them over here? I should say that they are way over my league.
No.
I cannot make that happen. And the other thing, of course, is that BTS decided to stop performing as a group for a while, and the members of BTS will have to answer the call of duty and responsibility for fit young men of my country, and have to serve in the military for a year and a half. Not all of them at once, at the same time, but one by one. So this is a sad news. I was once asked by the American reporter, so do you think it's the right thing?
Next generation of Koreans, and also to promote Korean culture to mainstream American society. The drumming performance, Knock on the Heart, Nangha, features various traditional rhythms of Korea. With a round of applause, over to you, Korean Traditional Arts Foundation.